We're on our way to the Tamanique waterfall. 4 waterfalls for the day. Nice hike. 3 kilometers. The way here to drive to the Tamanique, town of Tamanique. After you're in the town of Tamanique, you go to the tourism office. After you go to the tourism office, walk in, you sign some paperwork, and it's $10 a person if you want to do it that way. Some people who say they can do it without doing the tourism. But listen, I like tourism, you know what I'm saying? I like to help out the culture, you know what I'm saying? Let them get their monies. And then after that, after you get your guide and they give you your free parking and everything, that's where we at right now. So stay tuned for the rest of our waterfall tour in the woods of Avatar. Call me Jake Sully. Made it to waterfall number 4. Number 4 with these rocky ass rocks. Beautiful sights though.
You're the kind of guy that I usually I stay away from because you're bad for me. You're the kind of guy who will never treat me right. You have me cry all the time and treat me badly. You're the type of guy that it won't take no time for you to find someone and then cheat on me. You do as you please to fulfill all your needs. The way I see it, I love you more than you love me, but I love you in spite of me. I love you in spite of myself. I love you in spite of me. I want you all to myself. I want you though I don't want to. I want you in spite of myself. I love you in spite of me. I love you in spite of myself. The way you talk, the swagger of your walk, I can't help but gawk. There's something about the way you smile, mixed with how you are, makes me like your style. There's something about the look of your lips, I imagine your kiss, I think it's worth the risk. There's something about the way you eye me, I feel it inside me. I love you more than you love me, but I love you in spite of me. I love you in spite of myself. I love you in spite of me. I want you all to myself. I want you though I don't want to. I want you in spite of myself. I love you in spite of me. I love you in spite of myself.
Wait, here we go, we're ready now.
Yeah. He's so adventurous.
He sure the hell is 23. I was about doing the same shit. Oh no. That waterfall about to take you to the other side, Papa. Yay! Yes, you do. So my guide want me to jump from right here. I don't know if I want to do it. I am not that courageous anymore from my younger days. But I might do it. Stay tuned.
Jump. You got it? You know how to jump? You can go whenever you want.
This right here is just bonus coverage. I just find these ants in nature so amazing of how the things that they can do.
Hi, my name is Alexis. I am guide to the waterfall.